You could be manifesting here a lot of beautiful things in your life. You're welcoming yung mga magaganda at positibong bagay sa buhay mo. And it looks like you are aligned here with your intentions to improve your life, to make beautiful progress or mga pagbabago, even though you're doing this little by little or step by step process, you're doing great. See? Let's see. But it looks like we have here the Two of Swords energy and there's this Three of Swords. So I think there is someone here who could be coming towards you. But for some reason, hindi ko nakukuha na ito ay ex mo. But this could be someone here from the past. Na parang isa sa mga naging pabigat sa'yo. Yeah, that's the first word that came into my mind. That word, isa sa mga naging pabigat sa'yo. But definitely, ginagarantiya na malaki yung chance na hindi mo to ex. Itong pinag-uusapan natin, there's a high chance na hindi mo to ex. So, let's get to know more. But you're doing great, no? Miss Yan, I'm doing great, pero ba't may ganyan? Yan, panira naman yan. Okay, so yun yung alamin natin. Sino ba tong panira na? Alamin natin kung sino siya. Nang matanggalan natin yan ng puting buhok. So, kung sino man siya na posibleng nagbigay sa'yo to ng stress. Okay? Na parang feeling mo puputi lahat ng buhok mo, no? Nung kadil mo siya. Yan. Okay. So, let me just greet everybody before we start talking more about this. Hi and hello mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love at support na binibigay niyo po sa akin. So, we do not have any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Of course, this is timeless as well, so just take only what resonates here with you. Guys, so yun nga mga babes, no? Wala tayo ditong time period, so maaaring ito ay tapos na or nangyayari sa kasalukuyan or pwedeng hindi pa at isang prediction sa future. So, wala rin po tayo ditong age. So, age doesn't matter din sa tarot. Kung ma-mention man ito, just take how this resonates. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, that with this 8 of Wands energy right here, Queen of Swords in reverse, 3 of Wands, and there's this 2 of Swords and the 7 of Cups. The message that I'm getting from there is that there is someone here. Well, the vibe, hindi ito talaga ex mo. This is someone you already know. At bakit naman hindi mo siya makikilala? But the energy is telling me that this is not your ex, honey. This is someone here na pwede kong masabi nating baka enemy niyo siya. Hindi siya friend eh, pero maaaring lumabas siya bilang enemy ninyo or tinuturing kayong kaaway or baka competitor niyo ito or baka kilala niyo ito since childhood or kung sino man ito na posibleng matagal mo na siyang kilala. And for some reason, I'm hearing the word sabotage. So whoever this individual is, parang lagi niyang sinasabotahe ginagawa mo dito. Parang since childhood, you know? Yung iba sa inyo maaaring childhood niyo pa lang siya kilala, yung iba naman doesn't have to be in childhood, baka ito yung old ninyong katrabahong entremetida or entremetido. This person here, okay, finds you really as someone here na posibleng asar na asar siya sa inyo, and for some reason, this person also gets into your nerves, but hindi mo siya pinapatulan, but this person here could be your rival, could be your enemy, maaaring nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo kahit hindi ka naman nakikipagkompetensya sa kanya. So this person, I think, always sabotage you, no? Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? So kung childhood ito, nakakilala mo, no, pwedeng kaklase mo siya, no? Pwedeng running for honor din kung running for honor ka. Or kung hindi naman tayo dito nagra-run for honor, posible naman na parang kahit mag-recite ka lang, sabihin natin kunwari may test, no, ta's lahat nagre-review ng tahimik, no, siya ito na 'pag nagre-review nakikita niya nagko-concentrate ka, no, tapos siya ito na ang lakas-lakas niya mag-review, "Rizal, pambansang bayani, Apolinario Mabini," ano, binabasa niya ng malakas, no, para hindi ka makapag-concentrate, no, nakakatawa yung gano'n, no, pero this person here, ginagawa niya yun, no? Pero naapektuhan din yung ibang mga kaklase ninyo, if that's the case, no? Pero ang habon niya, no, is asarin ka. Yan. So, this is more likely an enemy instead of a friend. So, this person here, I do pick up, no, that this person is someone here na naiinis ka na noon pa lang sa kanya. But this person here, I'm picking up na kukontakin ka nito. This person will send you a very simple yet short message. Could be hi or kamusta ka na. Could be hello or kamusta ka na. Yan. And this person's name, how can you forget this person's name? This person's name is someone na talaga nag-get into your nerves. So, magbabalik muli ang mga alaala rito, no, with the Seven of Wands energy, and there's this Six of Cups, lahat ng alaala rito, no, na parang, ay, sa lahat ng mga kukontak sa akin, ito yung ayoko. Yan. This is the type of parang bisita na ayaw mong i-welcome. Ganong klase ng energy, no? Kasi parang either puro inis ang dinala nito sa buhay mo noon, or puro gulo, or puro sakit ng ulo yung dinala niya rito sa'yo noon, no? Yung iba doesn't have to be niya childhood friend siya. Pwede rin naman na katrabaho na walang ginawa kundi inisin kayo. Posibleng kung kayo yung magre-report sa work noon, 'no, siya 'to na patagal, 'no, na parang kunwari may kailangan ka sa kanya, kailangan mo yun sa report mo, 'no, sinasadya niya ito na wag ibigay sa'yo agad-agad, 'no, para inisin ka, 'no. So, posible rin na baka may inggit siya sa'yo a little bit, or baka trip ka lang niyang asarin, 'no. Kasi may energy siya dito na parang medyo meron siyang mga galawan dito na na posibleng merong-meron sa'yo na wala sa kanya, na gusto niyang magkaroon siya, 'yan. So, I do not know kung siya ba ito na energy na may kailangan sa inyo, okay, or gusto niya kayong asarin ulit or whatever, 'no. So, this person here, I think hindi niya kayo nakakalimutan pa. So, kagaya ninyo, hindi niya rin kayo nakakalimutan. With the Five of Swords energy right here, and there's this strong Six of Cups, I think this person here is still the same person. Okay, maybe meron ka ditong bagay na nakuha from him or her na tinuturing niya siguro na kanya yun or whatever, or dapat para sa kanya yun, may ganun, no? So, whoever this individual is, posibleng itong person na 'to 'no is hindi pa rin nagbabago sa kung papaano siya rito aasta, okey, sa'yo. Sa pakikipag-communicate niya sa'yo ulit dito, ramdam mo yung energy niya na hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. Siya pa rin yung tao na posibleng sumabotahe sa inyo 'pag may project, school project, or kung kasamahan niyo siya sa trabaho 'no, kahit ka-teammate mo ito, ayaw ka niyang nag-e-excel, ayaw niya rito na naging pa-popular ang iyong pangalan, ayaw niya rito na nabibigyan ka ng credit, ayaw niya rito na nabibigyan ka ng incentives at mga compliments, mga papuri, 'no, ayaw niya. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, I think this person here is someone who is still the same. Nakakainis 'no, na kung childhood mo itong kakilala, 'di ba? Gano'n pa din siya rito 'no. So, I think this person here is someone who holds grudge or let's say, hindi siya rito nakakalimot 'no. So, I think yung naging koneksyon noon is talagang tandang-tanda niya 'no, nakatatak kumbaga nakatato, eh, 'no. Nakatatak na 'to sa kanya rito 'no, na buhay 'no. Hindi lang sa isip niya. So, even though you are so young noon, lalo na kung childhood kayo magkakilala nito, hindi niya pa rin nalilimutan kung ano yung bagay na nakuha mo sa kanya. Siguro, running for honor siya, pero ikaw yung naging first place or first honor. Possible na gano'n sa iba. O yung iba naman, posibleng gusto niya rito na best in science, best in math, mga gano'n, no? Or best in drawing, pero laging siya ritong second place. Possible din yon. Tapos ikaw lagi kang first place. Laging ikaw yung best, laging ikaw yung magaling, laging ikaw yung nangunguna, no? Kahit na ginagawa niya lahat para sabotahin ka, kahit na ginagawa niya rito yung lahat para i-distract ka, 'no, nagre-review siya ng malakas para hindi ka makapag-review ng maayos, or kung katrabaho mo 'to dati na ginagawa niya lahat para hindi mai-provide sa'yo lahat ng materials, documents that you need for your report, para hindi maging maayos at para ma-question yung mga reports mo dito, everything, 'no? Wala nangyayaring, epekto yun sa'yo, 'no? Parang mas nacha-challenge ka pa nga lalo na mas galingan pa because of this person here. And now, out of all the people in the world, tapos busy ka pa ngayon, this message will pop out saying, "Hi, hello, how are you?" Yan 'no, kamusta ka na daw, coming from your enemy, 'di ba? So, whoever this individual is, this person here, because you're doing great, this person, bakit pa kailangan na mag-message niyan sa'kin ulit, miss yan? Eh, ang tagal-tagal na nun. Ayoko entertainin yan, hindi ko wini-welcome yung energy na yan, yan 'no. You need to deal with this. Why? Dahil siya ang final battle mo. Yan. What? With this Page of Pentacles energy and there's this Temperance, you need to deal with this person sa ayaw at sa ayaw mo. Why? Because he or she is your final challenge. Because there is a wish fulfillment here. You're doing great in your life. At meron ka ritong isang wish or isa pang wish na matutupad here for you, guys. But you need to deal with this person here. You know, whether you knew it or not, I'm gonna tell you. Isa sa mga sign, powerful sign, na malapit mo nang makuha yung mga dinidesire mong wish or bago mag-dream come true yung mga dreams or wishes mo, isa sa mga powerful signs ay ang pag-connect sa'yo ng mga tao na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap or nakakonect. At isa na nga itong enemy mo na ito, no? Na powerful sign dito bago ipagkaloob ni universe sa'yo ang wish na paparating for you. With the star right here, Ace of Swords right here, and there's this Two of Wands, your angels and guides right here, wants you to deal with this person here. Harapin mo yan. Deal with the situation. Dahil siya ang final battle mo. Don't ignore this person here because when you do that, it's like this is you na parang in-ignore mo na rin yung dreams mo. Ano ibig mo sabihin, miss yan? Ibig mo sabihin nito, patulan ko to. No, it's not. Hindi ko sinabing makipag-away ka, no? But your angels and guides are telling you to deal with it. Yan. So, pwede mo siyang kausapin, pero wag ka makikipag-away. Maintain your temperance energy. Maintain that very calm vibration or maintain that very calm energy when dealing with this person here. You do not need to welcome this person here into your life once again. Just deal with this person. Okay? Pwede kayong magkaroon ng closure with this person here. Pwede mo siyang kausapin rito. Pwede ka rin naman makipag-ayos or whatever if that's what you want. But you do not need to welcome this person in your life for good. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan gawin yun. It's just that you need to deal with this person here in a very peaceful way. And that's the key. Okay? That's the key of receiving this new paparating na wish come true mo. So, okay, do not ignore this because this is one of your biggest wish coming towards your way. So, okay, the challenge here is that alam kong ayaw ninyong replyan nitong taong ito. At ayaw niya rin makipagkita sa kanya. Yeah, but you need to deal with this person. Okay? Advice for you is deal with this person in a very calm state and okay, hindi ka makikipag-away. There's no argument that you need to do about this. Pero if you want closure to this, pwede at possible din po yun. Basta you need to deal with this person here. Whether you will end it, but end it very calmly and make sure na wala ka na ritong iiwan na kahit na anong grudge or pagkainis, okay, dito sa person na ito. Okay? So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, ano bang mas importante? Yung pag-deal mo dyan o yung wish mo? 'Di ba? So, make it as parang, isipin mo na parang madali lang yan, no? Basta ang importante, makuha ko yung biggest wish ko. Yan. And it's coming my way. Mas importante yon. Okay? Kaya gagawin ko ito. Yan. I know you will find it really challenging na parang ayaw mo kausapin yan, ayaw makita yung person na yan, ayaw mo na ulit yan na magkaroon ng connection dyan kung sino man yan. No? But that is not your ex, yes. No? It could be an enemy. So, nakita ko dito that you need to make a decision with the 12 Wands energy to face this. Because this is your final battle. This is your last, okay, final na nga na battle for you to be able to receive one of your biggest wish to come true. Diba? Isipin mo na lang na matutupad dito yung pinakamalaki mong wish. At isa lang itong maliit na bagay for you. Diba? Itong pag-deal mo rito sa enemy mo. Okay? So yeah, I know how you feel, but you need to make santabi of that, no? At i-receive at i-welcome ang big wish mo na malapit ng magkatotoo for you. Katuparan ng wish, diba? So yeah, these are all the messages right here coming from your angels and guides right here. So thank you and sarang heyo, muli ako po si Yan. If you're interested with other channel, link is down below sa ating description box. Thank you, sarang heyo. Annyeong.